Namaskar. I'm sure that you all are keeping well, giving good patch on the back of the corona. Today we have communication happens in the organization. Communication in general life, personal life, social life is different, having the different taste, and it may happen one side, two side, or multiple side. So communication in the organization, in the corporate communication, when you call about the upwards communication, downwards communication, and the distorted communication. And the two pillar of the communication is the RX and TX. RX means receiving terminal, जो आदमी सुनता है कान से, that is a receiving terminal, RX. TX transmitting terminal. Transmitting terminals means the person who talks from the mouth. The mouth is the transferring terminal, and ear is the receiving terminal. So what happened in the organization? Communication is basically the from the senior to junior, from peers to peers, from senior to subordinate, and no doubt from management to all organization, irrespective to post and position. It has been seen in the corporate organization that it is adhered very religiously and respectfully. I mean to say that if it is the downwards communication, then top people talks and he gives the instruction that this work should be done, and then it percolates down. How? MD says to board of people, director, executive director, CEO, and then they down the line, they percolate to the concerned HOD. Concerned HOD percolate down the communication, that is the instruction, down the line in the subordinates, and then subordinates, if required, to sub-subordinate, and then they do it. It is a downwards communication. Upwards communication. Upwards, the information which goes step by step. A subordinate of a department cannot give communication directly to the managing director. So there is the restrictions. He will give the communication only to his senior, and his senior will give communication, will information to his HOD. His HOD in turn will talk to CEO or director or executive director, who he may be, are in the same system, and ultimately from the CEO and director, executive director, it goes to the managing director and chairman. So you can see that downwards communication goes directly, it percolates from step to step, and upward it also goes step to step. So this communication gives the very good and healthy sign. But there is third kind of the corporation, organization and communication, that direct managing director calls एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ HR डिपार्टमेंट, अरे भाई हमने श्रीवास्तव जी से ये चीज़ कहा था, क्या हुआ हमको बताओ. Now in such circumstances, very first thing that where hierarchy is made. What is the hierarchy? Hierarchy is officer, senior officer, assistant manager, deputy manager, manager, senior manager, chief manager, GM, AGM, DGM, GM, AVP, DVP, VP, and president. This is the hierarchy. If a managing director or board person or CEO directly ignores all these steps and he goes and he talks to executive director either over the phone or he himself goes and talks on his or her desk, then the situation becomes very unaffordable because it creates, it neglects so many steps. Because if stepwise communication has been made, then stepwise its reporting also will go. The person who are in the hierarchy, they will be informed automatically by default. But if it has been picked up directly from CEO, ED, MD and talking to the junior person, maybe he is from his recommendation, maybe from he is known to him from the open society, maybe that he trusts more to that person, then question comes that the what for senior people has been appointed in the organization, and the interest of the senior people thus deteriorates and he becomes the irresponsible slowly and steadily. And when any quarrel takes place and MD says that मैंने आपके आदमी को ऐसा करने के लिए कहा था, क्या हुआ, then he becomes बिल्कुल zero because he is not in the loop. He was kept aside, he was ignored, then he will be totally blank and he cannot say anything. And for this, the director, MD, who is making this kind of the distorted communication is responsible directly for the loss happenings in the organization. Relations break in the amongst the employee, dishonesty takes place and the reporting system in the department goes haywire because MD when calls to assistant and executive and officer ignoring to the vice president or general manager and vice president also say why I have been ignored. Still this kind of the organization are existing and they face the problem what I have shared with you. But what happens when individual ego drives a individual concern faster than the professional ego, then company goes into haywire. Company face problem and negative environment takes place. So it should not happen and stepwise communication from upwards to downwards should go and downwards to upwards should go. Then all in the hierarchy they are respected at their place and then they get the things done. I am HOD, so CEO will call MD will call to director and CEO who he may be according to the structure, and then that CEO or director will call HOD, Dr. Srivastav, I need this information, and then Dr. Srivastav held responsible and Dr. Srivastav respectfully will accept this kind of the communication and he will get the work done from his senior, superior, peers, subordinates and will deliver the result. Sir, this is the result. So Dr. Srivastav as a head HR, as a vice president HR, he is also happy because he has been kept in the loop and down the line there is the organizational respect to each person according to the post and position. So communication plays very vital role, very vital role, very important role, and I pray that a wiser counseling should prevail in the organization, in the unorganized organization, and they should take a call to have the professional communication rather than the distorted communication. Distorted communication will make the organization to sink slowly and steadily. Professional organization will take it to next gen and next gen. Progress can be seen. All people banking on the such organization will be delighted to say that yes, I am working in professional organization and I am delighted to have the leader like director, CEO, MD and chairman. So I feel you are understanding the importance of the organization. Communication happening in the organization, professional communication and distorted communication. Some other kind of the defects, physical inabilities related difficulties are there in the TX and RX, but those are not required to be discussed here because it is part of the initial recruitment. Then if some person is having any defects in the talk, any defects in the hearing system, then these are not the part of this. They should be taken care of at the initial stage, that if more communication is required in the organization to be done by this person, then definitely this kind of the defective people should not be appointed and it cannot form the part of the corporate communication. Corporate communication, I shared with you in nutshell that this is the way it should happen, and right way, within the right communication, work should be performed. Then instead of ill politics, there will be a strong professional approach in the organization. You will grow, organization will grow, and identity of the organization will grow, and it will blink in the big brand image, and you will be happy. And that's why you might have heard that your friend says, I am working in L&T, I am working with Tata, I am working with Birlas. What is this? What is this? These are the names like Dr. Srivastav, Dr. Mukesh, Dr. Chadha, Dr. Maurya. These names are like that. But Dr. Srivastav, Dr. Maurya, Dr. Chadha became only Chadha. And these people, Tatas, Birlas, Dalmias, they become the brand because they never given chance to the distorted communication in the organization. They always given the professional touch in the organization, and that's why they grown. And today they are known as a professional organization with the professional brand. Thank you very much in this video. Namaskar.